Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And my chart of the day. I want to take a look at Datadog. This is ticker DDOG. Now, Datadog has been showing a lot of relative strength throughout the market volatility, even when QQQ dropped under the 50-day moving average yesterday. Datadog held up above the 21-day exponential period moving average and actually closed above the 8-day. And today we saw a bit of a bounce in the market, and we saw Datadog with a nice upside reversal, a lower open and a higher close, coming on decent volume and closing right at resistance. And so I would certainly watch Datadog for some upside follow through here if we see the market continue higher tomorrow. So I would set an alert on Datadog at around 271.36 and look for a move through that level and a close above that level coming on volume. You could then put a stop right around the 21-day exponential period moving average, and you know you're not going to get stopped out unless the stock pattern actually breaks down. So that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.